This is introduction to logo maker. I want us to just add a logo. So you can see the ones that are there. So you pick the one you like most, or the one that fits into what you want to use it for. And if you want to maybe to be a premium user, you can just press the VIP ones. Then you have to pay for them to use them. Not a one-time usage for that. So you've seen that. So I would just like us to just use this. Then with this, you can pick a background. There are ones there. So let's just pick this. You understand? By picking this, you can change it. So you surely change the logo name to the name. So logo name, let's go for the Baroque 7 Institute of Learning. You can decide on the size too. You won't even use a very big size that you won't be able to see the end. You can just like this. It's still big, so we keep reducing until it fits in what we want. So like this, it fits properly. So the slogan, let's just change it to like, okay, motto impacting knowledge is our top priority. So change the font here, so almost everybody can be able to see it. You understand? So like this, I think this is better. You want to change maybe the color of the text, you can just come here. You can see that. So let's use white. Then you can see it's not showing, but it can still show like this. We just change the background. You understand? So by changing the background, you can also make it round a bit or well. So you can increase the padding. Then the opacity of the background, you can see that. So if you want an image as your background, you can also use it as an example like that. So let's take this first. You can see it's not showing properly, so I'll prefer we just use the entire background. So by using that, we can just make a simple design like that. You can see that. So you just pick the one you like most. I will go with this. Then after this, what you do next is to just probably add maybe your phone number. So maybe telephone 0036 00465. So you can just do this like this. You understand? So like this, you can be good to go. So you can also change the text to the color to the telephone. So telephone, I don't think it's correct. it's actually telephone. So like this, just one L. Then we can just maybe add watermark to it, or we can just leave it like this. Anyone we want, it's our choice. So you can still add an art to it. So we want an educational ad like this, or we want a digital one. Let's say we want a digital one, or let's pick just educational ad. So let's go with this. So you can just reduce it, then add text to it. You can say we teach all kinds of science subjects. So then you can bring it to the front of this guy. You can see that. So you can see it's making sense. Just a simple design, a simple logo design. You understand? So instead of adding this too much talk, since we're not making maybe a flyer or something, we can just leave it simple as I did before. So if you want to add a shadow to it, you can add this. I prefer this. So I prefer we just use this. Then we had our art pack. I don't know why it got deleted. I never asked it to delete. Something like that. It's simple and easy. It depends on how much you can design, like just to play with the tools that are there. So by playing with the tools that are there, you see that you get things done easier. It gets simpler and simpler by the time you practice well. So like this, we can just leave it like this. It's a simple design like this. But let's see, I want to add the background. The background is a bit light, like this. Then I can make it round a bit. It might not show properly because it's a bit white and stuff like that. So you can see that it's as simple as that. You can just play with the tools. You can go to gallery if you want to add any stuff from the gallery. Then you can just save like this. I prefer you save as project. So if you want to edit it, you can just go back to the same project you just finished now and just re-edit it like that until you get perfect. So you can just save it like this. You save as an image and as a project. The project will be saved in your app. So you can see that it's saved in my phone like this, and then it is saved as a PNG file, so the background will show properly, and then it will also save as draft in my logo maker app. So you see, if I check back like that, I will find it in my drafts, my project. So you can see it's not hard at all. Kindly subscribe to my channel, please, and don't forget to like my video. Thanks for watching.